Hey guys, Crypto Rational here with another video. Today we have a quick one about ZKsync and their new collaboration with Hyco Official, aka Hypercomic. So these NFTs are free to mint. So to mint these NFTs, you head out to ck24.hypercomic.io. Like always, I'll put the link in the description. So as you can see, there are three types of NFTs you can get for transactions. You have to hurry though, because these three NFTs are only available until 9th of February. So as of today, you have 4 days left. They're quite easy. The ZKsync worker for those with 30 or more transactions, the hustler 50 or more, the ZKsync king with 100 or more. Like, also don't worry guys, if you don't have the amount of transactions to complete this, I'll have a very handy tip at the end of the video, so keep watching. And also the ZKsync expert NFTs are available. Uh, those are for those people that have been at least active for the last 2 months. And we can also see a little bit of a sneak peek for the upcoming NFTs. The D-Mail Explorer, which will become live in 8 days. The Bridger and the Volume, all super easy tasks. The NFTs are completely free to mint. I would just suggest that when you mint, you don't use their suggested gas fee, but you use their own market fee. This saves you like $1 per mint. When you do the market fee, it costs like I think 20 to 30 cents per NFT, so definitely worth it. I think because of the scale of ZKsync, they will have a lot of anti-Sybil measures. So the most common ones are the Gitcoin password. Um, and some kind of blue chip NFT. But I think these NFTs will also, help a lot to show that you're an actually human and not a sybil. So yeah, but what if you don't have enough transactions? Well, there's this super handy website, Zkstars.io. I'll also put this NFT, this website in description. Super easy. All of these NFTs are a unique contract. So you basically are hitting three stone, three birds with one stone. You get 20 transactions, you get 20 interactions with 20 unique contracts, and you also build a tiny bit of volume up. So how does this work? You simply select the amount of NFTs you want to mint. You click on this mint. If you want, you can also hand select them, but let's say you need 20 transactions. Just click on mint. And what will happen is that you will get 20 transactions. So just hit confirm 20 times. You get 20 transactions with 20 unique contracts, and you build a little bit of volume. The gas fees for this are a bit higher now, but when I did it a few hours ago, the total cost was about 30 cents per mint. So if you need 20 transactions, that will be about $6 in total. So, it's up to you to decide if that's worth it. But let's say you're like a few transactions off to claim the CKC kink or maybe the first NFT, it might be worth to spend like $1 or two to get these NFTs. Um, they're also sort of claiming that these NFTs will get some kind of value. Not really sure about it because they've been minted quite a lot, so the supply must be huge. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter. I'll probably have a lot more videos up today and the coming week for all kind of different airdrops. So keep watching.